Hi there, Prakash here from prakashcbs.com. Welcome to my Stack Sales review. I'm inside the members area of Stack Sales, and during this video I'm going to give you a run through Stack Sales, and also I'm going to tell you how it works. So it is, in a nutshell, Stack Sales is an info course which will teach you how to build a list with a few clicks, even without collecting emails. Sales Stacks will help you get high conversion rates, and Stack Sales will save you a lot of money you spend on your autoresponder. In a nutshell, it teaches you two very cool hacks. Actually, hacks which are not thought of how you can make money, how you can capture the lead even without having an autoresponder. A very, very cool hack. You will love this hack actually. It's a wonderful hack of how you can really capture the lead even before even without having to capture his email ID. So that is a fantastic hack. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, kindly click on the link in the description below, which will take you to my bonus page. Yeah, my bonus page is going to look something like this. You can just browse on my bonus page and click on these red buttons here, and which will take you to the sales page, and this link will go live on 11 a.m. Eastern as of 23rd September, and you can buy the product on this particular page, and the front end will cost you around $27. It's just going to cost you around $27. So I don't want you to miss on my bonuses what I have put for you, and I spent a lot of time putting these bonuses together, and one of the very good bonuses I have selected for this particular course. So it is, I don't want to miss this. So kindly just see the bonuses what I put for you now. The bonus number one is what I'm giving you is the Eclipse course, and the Eclipse is the bonus. You'll be getting access to a method through which you learn the creation and also how to hijack other marketers' email swipes and use them as your own. So Eclipse is a course which is going to teach you this particular method. And bonus number two, what I'm going to give you is how to rank your videos in 2020. This is a cool hack how you can really rank your videos in 2020. You will be getting access to the latest methods of ranking your YouTube videos. And bonus number three is how to create a digital product from scratch. In this bonus, you're going to get access to a complete course by Jono Armstrong, and how to develop a digital product from scratch. And bonus number four is you're going to get access to Enigma Pro, which is a software through which you're going to get traffic to your Facebook page using viral videos. So this is one more traffic method by which you can get a lot of traffic. And bonus number five is I will give you access to all the vendor bonuses that the vendor has given to me to give it to you, and you will get profit maximizers, a list of 80 bonuses that you can give away as bonus. So this is one of the fabulous bonus what the vendor has given us to give it to you, and you're going to get all these vendor bonuses and along with my bonuses absolutely 100% free of charge, even if you pick up the front end, which is going to be just $27. So to get access to this bonus, all you need to do is scroll on the button on this particular page, and you can access this. Click on any of these orange buttons these red buttons, and which will take you to the sales page, and there you can pick up this stack sales. So once you have done that, you have to simply come over to the Warrior Plus account. You go to this particular your affiliate ID, just press on the purchase history, and which is going to come to the purchase history page, and from there you go into the receipt page, and the receipt page is going to look something like this for you. Yeah, the receipt page will look something like this. All you have to do is you have to press on the green button here to access your purchase, and down below is a button which says access your affiliate bonus, and here you're going to get access to this affiliate bonus. So this is where you can get the bonuses. You don't have to send me your receipt to get this email ID. You don't have to send your receipt for shown me the proof of purchase and all that. You're going to get automatically the moment you purchase this. Now let us go to the upsells, and no, let us talk about the upsells and also the price of the front end. As I already told you, the front end is going to cost you around $27. The upgrade number 1 is going to cost you around $67. This is your personal affiliate money machine. You get our exact blueprint, cheat sheet, tools, and step-by-step training to earn money from day one, even if you are a newbie. So this is something, your upsell number 1, which is going to cost you around $67, and there is a downsell to this at 47 US. So upsell number 2 is steal my 40,000 plus list. So get 40,000 plus stack sales virtual list to promote your affiliate product on your own product in the MMO niche. So it's a one-time fee for access and send multiple campaign for the lifetime. So this is a steal, guys. It's a real steal. You can get a 40,000 plus virtual list, and you can really send multiple campaign for lifetime on this particular list what you got. Upsell number 3 is you're going to get a 10x done for you affiliate campaign, which is going to cost you $97, and no, this is an affiliate campaign, a done for you campaign, so that if you are a little bit not tech savvy or something, you can just go for the done for you campaign, which is going to cost you 97 US, and downsell is at around 67 US. So you will get 10 affiliate review funnels from our team along with the done for you traffic campaign setup. The funnel includes a responsive landing page, custom bonuses, etc. etc. So this is upsell number 3. Upsell number 4 is reseller rights. You can sell stack sales and keep commissions on front end, and upgrade number 1 also commission to and across the rest funnel. So this is going to cost you 197, and the downsell is at 97 US. So you can check this at your own time, and know if you want an overview of stack sales, the video is in my bonus page. So there's a bonus, there's a video also which I have put up here. You can just come and check it on your own at your own time. So let us go to the sales page and have a look at it, what this sales page says. So start to build your customer list within 60 seconds without collecting emails. This is right. You can start building a customer list without collecting emails, but not within 60 seconds. Definitely, it's a big misnomer there. It takes time for you to collect, but it's an easy one to really build a customer list with this particular type of method. So stop wasting time and save thousands of dollars every year by using an autoresponder for not using an autoresponder. This is a cool hack, a very cool hack without using autoresponder, how you can generate a list of audience. So get 100% commission on any squeeze page if no time without optimizing the page. So this is another very cool hack of you can do. Reach your list through multiple channels 24/7 rather than email. So this is I have explained to you, absolutely true, because I have gone through this course and it's a very phenomenal course, the whole thing. So let's not waste any more time on this, and let's head over to the members area as to what this particular thing is. So this is it. I told you it's an info course, and there's a lot of thing being taught here about this particular thing of how to make how to generate leads even without capturing their email also, and also not having an autoresponder. That's a fun of the whole thing. You don't have to have an autoresponder. It's an absolute cool hack, and it's a real no-brainer for the money what you will be getting. So to get all these bonuses, and you have to click on the red button on the bonus page, and the bonuses will be delivered to you once you purchase the product. That brings me to the end of this review. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, kindly consider subscribing to the channel, and please press the like and comment on this channel how you liked my video, how you like this review, and see you in the next video. Ciao.